Responsabilité sur le compte, car pour payer, on va faire le travail. Pays a bloqué pour monsieur juste démissionner le fini, et puis pour payer à Chris Berry enlevé.
Oui, mais est-ce qu'on passe un changement de président qui a aidé nous?
Oui, c'est bon.
Mais chaque fois nous avons un problème, c'est notre président pour nous gagner. Vous voulez pour me connaître ça me passe vous-même?
Bon.
Nous pensons que le peuple a besoin de repentir de péché ou chercher pas de bon Dieu. Ça me passe.
Bon, ça c'est vraiment
parce
important.
que si vous avez un paquet de monde qui cherche des bagages par eux pour défendre tête par eux.
Bon, ça c'est vraiment, mon a voulu défendre tête lui, il va rendre l'autre, il va rendre l'autre.
Oui, parce que tout le monde qui voulait pour monsieur descendre, le monde qui a payé pour ça, c'est eux-mêmes qui voulaient prendre place pour avoir pouvoir, pour avoir droit. Et puis est-ce que le monde est là pour aider nous?
C'est bon Dieu pour changer le pays actuellement.
Les sénateurs crasent la net, quel que soit le gouvernement qui monte, on basse comme pour voter le gouvernement après ça, on ferme les sur le pays à net. C'est pour le sénateur, on n'a pas besoin, même l'année de président, pas besoin de sénateur. On n'a pas besoin de sénateur, même député sénateur, on n'a pas besoin de ça, même. Petit yo pas ici, madame yo pas ici, yo la manifestation, yo pas voter loi sérieux pour pays. Si ça ne besoin de sénateur. Oui, sénateur député, pas besoin de ça, même dans le pays. Et révolter contre sénateur. Bon président pas problème, mais sénateur problème. Pour mettre au ministre, au directeur, c'est négocier pour président négocier avec eux. C'est eux-mêmes qui pas président problème. Et sénateur député pas président problème. Président même là il travaille, mais sénateur dans tout bureau, vous mettez directeur.
Si vous avez belle caille, un sénateur fait bon la caille moi. Vous t'avez saisi?
Oh, sénateur, même qui casse ce pays.
Un bel caille.
Même qui casse ce pays. Fait moun pas vivre comme là. On salaire, 4 débits, c'est une quantité de cop. Et ou même qui te vote, pas voter loi pour souffrir. Député. Nous pas bien sénateur même député. Nous pas bien sénateur même. Nous pas bien sénateur même. Bon parce que
comment est content oui.
Parce que nous avons besoin de sénateur.
Oui.
Puis nous avons un gouverneur, parce que nous avons un président sénateur, puis nous avons un gouverneur. Un gouverneur, tout fini. Mais après ça, président a monté, sénateur a monté encore, vient faire un petit clip, a fait un paquet de monde. Nous n'avons pas besoin de ça même, ni sénateur, ni député, nous n'avons pas besoin de ça même. Quand nous avons besoin de président, nous n'avons pas besoin de sénateur. C'est eux-mêmes qui cassent le pays. Chaque monde qui monte, pour le voter en loi, c'est quoi pour eux. Ils ne vont pas voter aucun doit pour faire malheureux.
Ouais, ça, c'est pas le peuple là qui a demandé le président descendre. Ça veut dire que si ici sous Chamas, à côté où tout le monde a pu faire activité, pour nous capable d'aider le pays, pour nous capable de pays à changer, pour nous capable de changement fait pour ici là, qui ça qui est capable de faire? Bon, let me explain something to you guys today. We are in a country where all you see in the news is the people want the president to come down. You heard the people, you heard the man right there in the street. I've never met him before, didn't know he was going to be there. He walked up and he said, we don't need deputies, we don't need senators. Why? Because he knows that those people are in it for themselves. Those people are doing what they can for themselves. So what's happening? How did we get all these manifestations? How do we get all of these people in the street doing the things that they're doing? Well, let me tell you something. Every last one of them are being paid. Some of these barricades in the road the last few days were welded with expensive equipment. Big money behind this. Yesterday morning and it's everyone that wants pouvoir. It's all about two things: pouvoir and l'argent, power and money. That's all they care about. And so this morning here in on the Shatmas, you have people that want to go to work. You have people that want to function. These people live day by day. My wife and I, we have credit cards. We can go to the market with our credit card even if we don't have cash, and we can buy enough food for a week if we want to in the supermarket. And we have money, we can take a credit card and go and buy fuel at a gas station here with our credit card so we can have fuel for our generator. We can subsist. But these people, the average person in Haiti, they live day by day. They work, they make a little bit of money, they send their wife to the marché to buy. These people are gone almost a week now, several days, without money, without being able to go and to do the things that they have to do. So what is the problem here? The problem is well, first of all, we know the answer. The answer is in Jesus, because people want to be set free. They think, oh, well, some people think, well, we get a new president, we'll be set free. I remember when Aristide became president. The day that the expectations that people had when Aristide became president, one day he became president, there were actually Haitian people that believed the next morning when they got up that they would find a new car in front of their house with a key in it for them. I mean, I talked to people. They thought that the president was going to do something very, very special for them. They thought that the president was going to help them. And they have all these expectations. What are the expectations that you have? You may have gotten married and you had different expectations of your husband or different expectations of your wife. Our expectations sometimes are a little bit distorted from reality. And when people, like here, they voted for a president, and the president came into power, and the economy was already bad. The interim government president before this, what did they do? They basically pilfered the whole system. The government, this new president that we've had, Jovenel Moise, he came into the palace. They looked in the treasury. There was no money left. It was gone. They started at zero with nothing to work with. And you know what? We can't work with nothing. And then the people say, well, I have a need, I have this, I have that. But it's not the general population right now that are rebelling, that are asking for a new president. It's 4 different groups of people that are asking for a president, and they're wanting it because some of them are business people that have been taxed for the first time in their lives, large business people that have been taxed that have never been taxed before. So instead of paying tax, they want to pay for manifestations to be done. And not only is it businessmen that are doing that, but it's also even people from within. Yesterday morning on Radio Caraïbe, we had a man that was in a meeting and with Saint, the Prime Minister, on Sunday, where Saint was paying several people to go out in the streets and demonstrate so that they could bring down the president. This is the Prime Minister himself that was doing this. And this was on Radio Caraïbe yesterday morning on Grand Boulevard, on the show Grand Boulevard yesterday morning. And this guy said, well, he was in the meeting and his baz didn't get the money that Saint promised him. Somebody else's baz got it. And you know, there was all kinds of, there was an assassination attempt on the president on Monday near Pont-Morin. And when they arrested the guy for that, he was working for Yuri Latortchi, the senator. And so we have a lot of people that are wanting the power. You have 4 different sections of people. You have 4 different defined groups of people that are trying to bring the president down right now. One of them is being run by a group of businessmen. Some of them are from the old Creval government, and some of them are politicians, and the rest of them are private individuals that don't want to pay tax, that don't want to function as a regular government. They're used to not paying tax in the douane for their containers and containers of things. They're used to paying everyone off so they don't have to pay those tax. They don't want to change that system. They don't want that just to change. So what's happening today in Port-au-Prince is that we have millions of people that want to go back to work. They don't want this to happen. We just heard a young man talk. He says, we haven't asked the president to leave. We want the deputies and the senators to leave because they're the ones stealing all the money. People are looking to be set free from this. People are looking to be liberated from this. And me, as someone that's lived here for the last 43 going on 44 years, I've seen so many coups d'etats. I've seen so many people when presidents come and presidents go, people